My review of Pop-On Veneers. Okay, so look, this has been 3 years for me, and I don't know how many times I've tried to make this review. I want to make it short. I had partials by the dentist. I tried Snap-on Smile, and I tried Confidence. All of those failed miserably. First off, I shouldn't have had all the teeth pulled out of my head in the first place. That's on the dentist. They promised things that they didn't deliver, and then the cost to get the repairs from them jerking all the teeth out of my head that they did, which was not covered in any of the other reviews. Nobody else did any reviews that I am aware of that I'm going to do or that I am doing. And that is if I'm missing my front teeth, can you give me veneers? Yeah, they can. This is what I was left with. Now, Pop-On Veneers, they send you back your mold. Your teeth come in a nice little round box. They even send you a toothbrush and all that. And, you know, you should always brush your teeth before so they send you back, anyway, they send you back your negative of what you did when you made your mold. So, you bit down and did the mold. And so when you get your teeth, you can take your teeth and go ahead and slip them on. Wrong ones. Slip them on there. And there you go. It shows you your teeth and how good they are. Yeah, good thing I got my little rinser here. So there you go. That's the teeth in the mold that they send you. And pop them in. Now, I've been asked through messages many questions and how my experience with Pop-On Veneers has been. And I've been very honest about exactly what I think of them. And I think they're just the most wonderful option out there for anyone that's like me, who can't afford the price of a car to get their teeth fixed, okay? I never expected to have all those teeth taken out. I was duped. I don't think dentists should be allowed to do what they did to me. So I'm kind of angry about that. So we'll get off that subject and go with what's the good part. I want you to just look at how well these teeth look. There is no gum line that is exposed like with my partials, as I said or showed you. The partials, that gum line is right there. So when you open your mouth nice and wide, I've got a big mouth, they would see the teeth. As you can tell, they come down like that. But look at that. They look perfect. So is it worth the cost? You bet you. Would I pay more? Yes. It took 2 days for me to get the kit. Took 2 days for it to be shipped back. It took them 10 days for them to get me my teeth. And so in 2 weeks, I went from depressed, not knowing whether or not I'll ever be able to play taps for veterans again, because I couldn't do this with my other teeth. I couldn't do that, okay? Sorry, I'm a little cold, so it don't sound as good as it normally does. I'm a lot better than that. But anyway, I haven't smiled in 40 years. I'm 53. I have not smiled, not in my wedding pictures, when my children were born. I didn't smile. I didn't talk like I'm talking now, where you can see my teeth. I would always talk like this. So everybody thought that I had an attitude. I don't have an attitude. I like people to think that I'm happy, and I am happy. I'm very happy with this purchase. They also had, like I said, this one. Don't do this one. Confidence. It's on Amazon. Don't even try it. Worst product out there. Snap-on. Snap-on Smile. You know, it worked for a little while. It was a good backup, but no, not a good product. But that just goes to show you, I've went through a lot of products, and I personally think that this is the one purchase of my entire life that I'm the happiest about. I've bought a lot of things in my life, and this one here is the one that has paid the most dividends back to me. And it will you too. You'll be happy with them. So do it. Like I say, they got different options of how to pay for it. They'll make sure you get them. And you know, it's well worth it. And as long as you got 5 teeth here and 5 teeth here, you're good to go. And as a veteran, we don't have dental unless you're 100% disabled. I am 100% disabled, but I'm only, it's not all 100% for the military. I'm only 30% for them. So they don't cover my dental. And, you know, I don't know too many people that can afford $13,000 to $18,000 because a dentist decides to take teeth that you never agreed to have taken out. So for me, it's a no-brainer. I hope that this video helps you, this video review. I give them 1,000 stars all the way across the board. There is nothing that I could say bad. Not one thing. I have tried to think of a way, and I waited to do this review so that I could put these teeth through the grinder, literally. Chewing corn off the cob, getting ribs off the bone, everything. They work just perfect. Now, of course, they're not real teeth, so, you know, I don't know what their life expectancy is, but I imagine it's at least, you know, 3 or 4 years, and within that amount of time, I'll have another set. You know, so what else can I say other than, if you're thinking about getting them and you're wondering, is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. Do it. So thank you all. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. I wish I could say a lot more. I can't be any more satisfied with this product than what I am. You guys are awesome. Customer service was always there for me, whether it be through an email, phone call, me mostly phone call. I had many questions. definitely was not trusting. They earned that. They earned my business and earned my respect to where I will give it to others. I've referred many people, especially veterans, to go through Pop-On Veneers. So if you're thinking about doing it, do it. Don't hesitate. Do it. It's worth it. Look at me. You know, you see this. Hey, yeah. My wife enjoys that. Yeah, I can look like the real Okie hillbilly, as they call me, or I can look like what I want to look like and have a good smile. And that's all that I could ask for. Thank you, Pop-On Veneers. Thank you all. And again, 5-star review, 100% satisfied customer. Will continue being your customer. I will refer everybody I can to Pop-On Veneers, and I hope that this review gets more people going to you because they are the best. Thank you all. God bless. Have a great day.